Welcome back to the channel Geography with Bimal. Myself Bimal, and today in this video we will just see how to calculate mean deviation and how to calculate median as well as how to calculate coefficient of mean deviation. And now it is given, no? Such type of data will given to you or given to us, and this is called continuous series or group data. As the figures are in a group, so it is called a group data. Okay, it is called a group data or continuous series. It will given with the frequency. Now let us come to the next page. This is given already, is it? This is given. Now from this data we have to calculate the mean deviation, median and coefficient of mean deviation. First of all, we will calculate median. Now you see, in case of central tendency, you got how to calculate median. Here is also the same procedure. Median, to get the value of median, size of n plus, and to get this value now 50th item, then before that we have to calculate cumulative frequency. To form frequency, it is very easy to get the value of cumulative frequency. Just you put it here, then make it add with this 12, then 19 plus 18 is equal 37, 37 plus 25 is equal 62, 62 plus 16 is equal 78, 78 plus 14 92, 92 plus 8 is equal 100, and this is n is equal 100. Clear? This is the procedure to get the value of cumulative frequency. Okay, now you see, in case of when you will get the value of cumulative frequency, now this value, the last one of cumulative frequency, must have to tell you with this. This should be equal. This is 100 and 100. So therefore our calculation is correct. Now you see. Now the size of n plus 2 item, that is 100. N for this is 100. No, n means this is 100. N is equal 100. Okay. So 100 by 2 is equal to a 50th item. Now we have to see where is this 50th item. Just you come along with this cumulative frequency. Here is no 50. Here is no 50 because it is less than 50, and 37 is less than 50. Yes, this is the class. Here is 50 is here included here. So this will be the median class. Now after recognize the median class, it is very easy to find out the value of or calculate the value of median. This is called L. This is called L. Okay, and this is F. This is CF, and the difference is 10. This is I. Okay, this is I. Now you see the formula to get down the value of median is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into I. L is equal lower limit of the median class. Lower limit and upper limit. Median class is this one, okay? So this is lower limit and this is upper limit. So L for 30 and L always stands for lower limit of the median class. Then n by 2. L stands for total number of frequencies. So total number of frequencies is 100. When you divide it by 2, then the value of this n by 2 is 50. Then CF means cumulative frequency immediately above the median class. Then this is the median class now. So cumulative frequency immediately above the median class. So the value of CF will be 37. Here you see this is 37. And frequency means F means frequency of the median class. So after recognize the median class, the frequency just in the alignment of this median class, this will be F, and I for the difference in between the upper limit and lower limit of the median class. Okay, that means 40 minus 30 is equal to 10, and this is the I. So after putting all these values here, the value of median is equal the value of median is equal 35.2. This is the value. Now is it clear how to calculate median? Just you put these values here, and plus minus is nothing. It's very easy. No, you are the higher secondary or degree level student, so I have nothing to calculate how much it is if we subtract 20 from 10, like that. It's many ways. So after getting the value of median now 35.2, now you come here. Now you come here. You see. Now you come here. What is this? When you will subtract this 35.2, that is the value of median. Now before that, just you find out the midpoint. This is called midpoint. No, this is called midpoint, and this midpoint is calculated from the class interval. That is 0 plus 10. How much? 10 divided by 2. This is 5. Then 10 plus 20. How much? 30. 30 by 2. This is 15. Now after getting the just two values from the upper side level, okay. Now you see how much is the difference is there. 10. Now you just put 10, 10, 10 and get the all values. This is 15 plus 10, 25. Then 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 10, 45. 45 plus 10, 55. And 55 plus 10 is equal 65. These are in a gap of 10. Okay. Now you see, just mid value, that means 5 minus 35.2, that will be 30.2. Then 15 minus this one, it will be 20 minus 2. Then 25 minus 25, 25 minus 35.2, this will be 10.2. Then 35 minus 35.2, this is like that. You may calculate all these value in this way. Okay. Now this is the value of modulus D. Modulus D, this symbol always stands for ignoring the plus minus symbol. So no plus minus symbol is here. Okay. Now you see, this is the value is value of D is this one. Okay. Now when you will multiply it with the F, then that means FD. That means F into D. Now you see, this is the value of F. 7 into 30.2. That will be 211.4. Just you make it into 12 into this. This will be 242.4. Then 18 into this will be 183.6. 25 into 0.25. Like that, you will get all the values. Now, when you will make a summation or when you will add the values, now you will get the values of summation FD. Okay, the value of summation FD is 1314.8. Now it's very simple to just you put it in the formula, no? Summation FD by N. This is the formula to get the value of mean deviation. And this is the summation FD is equal 1314.8. And N is 100. So when you divide it 1314.8 by 100, then you will get the value. And this is 13.148. This is the value of mean deviation. Okay. And last one is coefficient of variation. Sometimes it may comes in the exam now to calculate the value of coefficient of mean deviation, and the formula to get down the value of mean deviation. This is mean deviation by median. It is very required now, this median. So first of all, we have to find out the median. So mean deviation is the 13.148 and median, the value of median is 35.2, and ultimately the value of coefficient of mean deviation is 0.37. Always keep it in mind now, when there will be the value of coefficient of something, that means the value will ranges from plus to minus, that is plus minus 1. It is always ranges from plus minus 1. Okay, so the value is here 0.37, and this is the procedure how to calculate mean deviation from median and mean deviation in case of continuous series. If you are new, please subscribe my channel to get more updates, more videos like that. And if you are old now, then please share it and make a comment. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.